Hi guys, so I'm going to jump right into this look. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. I like to use the spoolie and just brush through my brows just to kind of get everything in place. And then using the pencil with really light strokes, just start by lining my brows. And then on the top I do have to create the shape that I want, because I have had my brows plucked and they're not the shape that I want. So I'm actually in the process of growing my brows out, but for the most part right now I have to use this and I have to create that kind of arch that I want. So I'm going to do the end bit afterwards. I'll show you what I do with that. But I'm just following my natural brow, but I'm obviously adding a bit of an arch to it. So you can see the difference between the brow that's been done and the natural one. So moving on to the other side, just same thing again. I like to bring the tail outwards. I used to bring it down, and I much prefer bringing it out. It looks a lot more natural. When it's all done, you'll see what I mean, how natural they look. And then just to top it off, I like to just highlight under my brow. And there you go. So it's very quick, it's very natural. And there we have it, guys. So that is the very simple brow routine that I've been using lately. I think this is very similar to the Primark PS Pro brow pencil. The only thing it doesn't offer is the powder in the middle, because the one from PS Pro has the brush, pencil and the powder, and the powder's really good for getting that gradient in that kind of bit there. This is a really good thing. It comes in this like pencil that's like shaped like a triangle, so you can really get perfectly the shape that you want. It lasts really well, it's very good, it's very easy to work with, and I just think it's very natural looking also. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to link this product down below, and make sure to subscribe and comment and do all them lovely things. And also I just want to mention as well that if you do head over to my Depop, I'll put it on the screen here, I'm selling loads of things, phone cases, makeup, clothes, lots of things. So if you are interested, that's my name there, and I shall see you over there. And that's it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!